Students that live and study along the university belt here in Metro Manila share the same struggle. We are all familiar with that kind of struggle, and that is transportation. We all know it is a hard time to wait for jeepneys to arrive and be able to ride it with the numerous or the overflowing amount of people that have the same agenda, which is to ride the jeepneys as well. This year, when face-to-face classes have returned, there are modern jeepneys that makes it more comfortable than regular jeepneys. But however, the struggle is still there. It is a hard time of finding jeepneys and ensuring a seat. Now, what our app will do, it will ensure a seat on these modern jeepneys while having a proper pick-up and drop-off locations near the universities, that their respective universities that they need to be dropped off.
To begin with, as for our team's definition of innovation, we define it as the assurance and improvement of an offering's usability, effectiveness, and potential value. They simplify the experience of trying, using, and enjoying a services or products. They make consumers aware of features and capabilities they may have otherwise missed, and they address issues and smooth rough spots in the customer journey. When done effectively, they can transform even ordinary and dull items into memorable experiences that draw people back time and time again.
This application aims to provide transportation service for students. Through this, it will help them dodge rush hour traffic and take risks of getting proper seats in Egypt. This application will be used on our mobile phones. The researchers chose this platform since all of the students have this gadget, which will be easy to access in times of need. This application is connected to SDG 8, which is Decent Work and Economic Growth, because it will lessen jeepney drivers who overfill the capacity of the jeep, and also lessen jeepney drivers who always cut trips to dodge traffic.
There are multiple factors that make our application innovative in design. Although you may have heard of applications such as Grab, Angkas, and Joyride, our application is quite similar to these apps, since it is also a ride-hailing app. But we would like to use our advantage on e-jeeps, since it is a modernized public utility vehicle. Just like other ride-hailing apps, you would be able to book for a seat, but expect to share the e-jeep with others since it can accommodate a lot of passengers. You can also easily know the estimated time of arrival of an e-jeep at a particular stop, as well as its position on the route. It also has additional features like generating a QR code based on your booking details, like your seat number, fare, and mode of payment. This makes commuting for students more convenient and still considering at a fair price.
Good day. I'm Alton John, and this is the specific attributes of our app. Firstly is the online booking service. Instead of waiting for a vehicle service, or running after, huddling, and fighting for a single seat on a Jeep or any PUV on the street, users of the Egypt app may select any points available, book a seat, and just like a regular PUV, it will arrive every minute. The app is or the service is also cost effective. The student commuter will surely have the appropriate fare for their trip, producing good results without costing a lot of money. Commuters can also use the different payment methods with different discounts if available. The service is safe and protected. The service's users have registered their names and information on the app. They are not just random street strangers. And this is the same for drivers and operators and their own vehicles. It is also reliable quality and service. The administrators and operators are dedicated to ensuring data quality despite the community's fast growth, and since it significantly influences company operations and decisions. Additionally, all the information is gathered, examined, and utilized to forecast any from the time customers will have to wait to suggestions for where drivers can adjust themselves to take advantage of the fastest routes and the most significant number of passengers. These are the specific attributes of our app. Thank you.